In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio SID. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to know exactly what you're looking for to effectively work with Twilio's API. Whether you're a developer ready to dive into some coding, or simply setting up Twilio for your business communications, accessing your Twilio SID is one of the first steps you'll need to take. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you're going to want to head over to the Twilio console dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, the Twilio console is essentially your command center for accessing all sorts of useful information and managing your account settings. Once you arrive at the dashboard, you'll notice it's divided into various sections, each offering a wealth of information. However, for our purposes, we need to zero in on one specific area, the Account Info section. As you scan the main page, keep an eye out for the section titled Account Info. This area is typically located toward the top of your page, designed to provide you with immediate access to the most crucial aspects of your Twilio account. Here, you'll find the Account SID we're after. The Account SID is prominently displayed here, starting with the letters AC. Memorize this acronym, as it's a quick way to identify the SID amidst other numbers. In the same Account Info section, you'll also find the Auth token. You might notice that this token is hidden by default for security purposes, and rightfully so. Think of your Auth token as a key that unlocks various Twilio services, only it's a key you don't want falling into the wrong hands. While today's focus is on the SID, it's good practice to familiarize yourself with the Auth token's location for when you need it in future developments or configurations. Knowing how and where to find your account SID is a fundamental skill when working with Twilio. Having this piece of information at your fingertips will allow you to integrate Twilio into your applications or services seamlessly and securely. With that, you've successfully located your Twilio SID through the console dashboard. Make sure to handle your account SID and any associated details with care, maintaining secure practices to keep your communications safe. Thank you for tuning in to this walkthrough on accessing your Twilio SID. We hope this video has been helpful and made the process clear and simple. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate the vast world of technology and make the most out of your digital tools. Now get out there and start building with Twilio with the confidence and the necessary knowledge to find your account SID effortlessly. Enjoy the journey ahead and happy coding.